To get the bold glamour filter on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the bold glamour filter on Instagram. Now without further ado, let's get started. So you have been scrolling through TikTok but you can't seem to find the bold glamour effect in the Instagram? Well, good news. Instagram has a similar filter and I'll show you exactly how to find and use it. So first thing first, open your Instagram app. And once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the plus sign to start creating a new story. Now swipe left through the filter option until you see the browse effects or search option. Simply tap on that to open the filter library. And here is where the magic happens. Now in the search bar, type bold glamour and you will see a list of results pop up with a couple of filters to choose from. You can choose any filter which seems to work best for you. Once you have selected that, you can use this filter to create the same glamorous effect as you have seen on the TikTok. And there you have it. That's how you get the bold glamour filter on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.